Storz Bickel.
The VOLCANO HYBRID is a desktop vaporizer from Storz Bickel. It contains an air pump, a heater, a touch display for temperature control, and a heatable filling chamber. Start by placing ground herbs in the filling chamber and then attach the chamber to the top of the volcano. When using the VOLCANO HYBRID, two inhalation methods can be selected from. With the valve balloon method, ambient air is pulled into the device by the air pump. With the tube inhalation method, no pump is required. The user's lung force draws air through the vaporizer. The air is warmed up while flowing along the heater in a spiral pattern due to the convection principle. At the same time, the filling chamber is heated up based on the conduction principle. As soon as hot air flows through the herbs, active ingredients are vaporized and released into an aerosol. In the first inhalation method, the aerosol is collected in the valve balloon where it cools down to a pleasant temperature. During the second inhalation method, the aerosol cools down in the tube as it is being inhaled. In the lungs, the active ingredients are absorbed by the alveoli and subsequently introduced into the bloodstream.
Storz Bickel. Inhale the difference.